Nachi's GMS200 Skiving Machining Center for Gears is a compact process-integrated machining center with high versatility. The GMS200 maximum workpiece OD is 220 millimeters. The GMS200 is best suited for mass production of power transmitting parts that require spur, helical, or cycloid gears. With the GMS200, you can perform multiple jobs with one machine, including lathing, drilling and tapping, and skiving. Also, changeover parts and labor are only required for the one machine. Also, idle time is dramatically reduced by removing conveyance between processes. By integrating multiple processes into one machine, it allows not only a reduction in installation space, but also achieves a compact and space-saving design. The GMS200 only requires 7.5 square meters of space to install, and the machine height is only 1,680 millimeters, which is the lowest in the world. Operators do not tend to feel like they are being trapped because of the size of the machine. The low height of the machine also allows less loading and unloading time by the reduction in conveying distance. Six tools can be placed in the main unit, and the automatic tool changer makes for smooth changing of tools. Next, take a look at our GMS200 Skiving Machining Center for Gears. 3 jobs: lathing, drilling and tapping, and skiving. The GMS200 was developed for simpler and easier use. The interactive operation screen makes the GMS200 user-friendly, and the typically complicated programming required for skiving is no longer needed. Only a simple setting is required for the crowning process, run-in amount modification, and taper machining. Moreover, Nachi is developing an auto-condition setting program which automatically sets the optimum machining condition based on information like specifications and workpiece material. Skiving is a gear cutting method which uses a pinion-shaped cutter at a cross-axial angle and then moving it along the axis of the workpiece. There are 2 main advantages. 1. Skiving can be much more efficient than gear shaping. 2. Tooth leads and tooth shapes can be changed within the program. Nachi's skiving cutter uses superior materials and excellent coatings for greater wear resistance, chipping resistance, and thermal shock resistance. These components improve accuracy and provide a long tool life. We provide options for optimum types of jigs to match the shape of the various workpieces. For example, a collet chuck for thin workpieces, like internal gears, or center support for shaft workpieces, like external gears. Nachi's product lineup allows you to choose the gear machine based on its use. Nachi's GMS200 Skiving Machining Center for Gears is a new type of process-integrated machining center, best suited for mass production of power transmitting parts. The great advantages of the GMS200 are its high versatility and space-saving design.